Hi, I'm Brandon Lindauer. I'm a content production specialist and global technical lead for content production at Amazon Web Services. We're here at IBC 2023 looking at the content production demos. First up, we have 755 Lens. 755 is a studio orchestration platform. They specialize in allowing you to create, monitor, and manage all of your cloud-based post-production studio assets. So whether you have cloud-based editorial, coloring, graphic artists, or something in between, 755 is a solution that allows you to manage that environment completely in the cloud in an easy-to-use, intuitive interface. So 755 includes not only a dashboard, but cost monitoring utilities so you can see what your cloud costs are going to be throughout the process, as well as the ability to monitor various pieces of the compute storage environment and to troubleshoot any issues that your end users may have. 755 is based out of the UK and is active all over Europe. In addition to 755, we're showing EditShare's virtual EditShare file system running on AWS. EditShare's virtual file system allows us to have our editors, finishers, colorists, and all of our other artists access the same media in a shared storage environment completely in the AWS environment. In addition, we're showing the flow automation and the asset management systems that EditShare has built into their products. This allows us to not only store the content, but track those assets as they go through the post-production process, and even kick off automation systems like transcoding and file movement, all here within the EditShare environment. Our entire demo area is powered by 755's workstation creation and the EditShare shared storage environment. Here we're showing our generative AI section for content production. For generative AI, we're showing Runway ML. Runway is a company that's used AWS to deploy and develop generative AI models that are ready to go for content creators. Runway's suite of tools that are available through their web interface allows you to upload content and modify it right there in your web browser. So here we have a great image of a very handsome host showing a trade show demo. What we've done is we've done some rotoscoping and keying of this, and we've been able to take out the background in a process that would normally take hours or days going frame by frame. Instead, the artist can do this in mere seconds. After doing this, we're able to take that key and modify the foreground with stylistic elements. So these Gen AI tools are another tool in the artist's toolbox. It allows them to focus on the creative tasks rather than the laborious tasks that take up a lot of their time. Over here, we're showing our rapid camera ingest station. So a lot of our customers have said, we love the idea of working in the cloud, but how do I get my content there? Rapid camera ingest here is showing two of the various methods we have for ingesting content from set directly into the cloud. First up, we have Red cameras. Red has developed their camera to upload directly to Amazon S3. When you record on a Red camera, it will write all that content to the internal card, and as soon as you finish recording, that content will be uploaded directly to the AWS cloud and be available instantly for anybody that's looking to use it further down in the pipeline. In addition to Red, we're also showing Hedge. In an environment where maybe you don't have a Red camera or you don't have the capability of a camera that can upload directly to the cloud, you'll take the card out of the camera, you'll take it to a computer, and you'll upload from there. Hedge is a great tool for DITs that are going to do this upload straight to the AWS cloud. Hedge allows you to not only pull that content from a camera card and put it directly into S3, but you can also do things like create reports and do transcodes for proxy workflows, again, further down in the process. Both Hedge and Red represent some of our rapid camera ingest capabilities and the ability to move directly from your set into the AWS cloud so you can have a fast turnaround for your editors downstream. Here we have our Edit in the Cloud on AWS. Edit in the Cloud is running with Adobe Premiere, and it's accessing all of the content that we've uploaded from the Rapid Camera Ingest station and that we've stored on the EditShare shared storage. We're also, through Adobe Premiere, able to access the EditShare asset management system through the EditShare panel within Adobe Premiere. As we grab those assets, we pull them into the timeline, editors are able to work with that content literally moments after it's shot, as it's uploaded straight to the cloud and made available to the post-production workflow. As part of this Edit in the Cloud workflow, we're also showing Streambox. Streambox allows us to deliver a professional grade cloud-to-ground video monitoring solution for that professional edit bay experience. Streambox is capable of delivering up to 444 12-bit color in 4K resolutions with 16 channels of audio. The Streambox solution integrates directly with Creative Cloud through a plugin and is able to stream not only to a professional-grade monitor, but also to other devices such as an iPad, iPhone, and other mobile devices. This edit in the cloud environment is managed completely by 755. We finish off our workflow with Autodesk Flame running in AWS. Flame on AWS is a fast-growing solution in the industry. It allows you to run a full Flame suite completely in the AWS cloud. For our cloud-to-ground video signal, we're using our Color in the Cloud architecture. Color in the Cloud uses CDI and JPEG XS. CDI, which is our cloud digital interface, is a method for sending uncompressed video between resources within the AWS cloud. Flame will send a CDI signal out to Elemental Media Connect. Media Connect will then encode that as a JPEG XS signal, which is a high-quality, low-latency codec for viewing content. Our Evertz decoder here on site will decode that JPEG XS signal and send that out to our broadcast monitor. Media Connect can do JPEG XS compression at 10:1, which is visually lossless, or 3:1, which is mathematically lossless, giving you a completely uncompromised video signal that has full quality and all of the color fidelity you expect for a color and finishing solution. So that's our end-to-end content production in the cloud demo. Next, we would take this content and give it to media supply chain, where they would be able to do things like transcoding, localization, and other automated processes on the content.